Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here with Pip Syndicate. I just want to show you guys. I made a video about this, but it didn't come out good. I want to remake it. I want to show you my win rate for last year. I'm just logging in now to Hanko Trade so you guys can see that I'm logging in. Let me go to the other side. Hold on. Sorry, man. I don't know. On that browser, I can't log in. Let me see. Do I have it here? No, of course not. Sorry, guys. Hold on for 1 sec. There we go. I'm not a robot. Log me in. Let me get my authenticator going. I'm striking out today, man. All right. That should be it. Well, we're logged in. I want to show you this is a live account. Okay, let me see. I only have one account. Let me go to the trading platform. Okay, you can see here it's Hanko X Live. So they got demo, iOS, Android. It's Hanko X Live. I don't know if I'm going to have to log in here. I'm already logged in. Okay, good. All right, so this is my back office. This is the trading platform, Hanko X. By the way, guys, this is an excellent trading platform. You know, I think it's the best deal if since they mix up with number 4 and number 5 there, you know. But here, let me go to unrealized P&L up here. I want to show you this now. Okay, it's on 6 months. I'm going to change it to 1 year. Today's January the 3rd, guys. Okay, so this is my year. Right, there's June. You can see April, right? There's March. Right, going all the way back to whole year. You can see the green line just going straight up. The red line is like drawdown that I was in. During the year, I want to make this bigger. Okay, now you can see here total trades. 1,735. Trades won 1,676. 96.6 win percentage, guys. All right, 59 trades lost, less than 3.5%, 3.4% loss. That's amazing, guys. Better than I even thought. I knew I had a good year, but it was better than I even thought. I just wanted to show you guys that this is right from the broker. I'm not a technical guy. I wouldn't even know how to fake this. I wouldn't fake it anyway because I'm not a kid. Now, there's a lot of trades. You might be thinking, I'm thinking the same thing. I don't know if that's the total trades. I started this account probably 20 months ago. I put it on 1 year. That's what came up. It's probably true because at any given time, I'm trading 5 pairs, and I got 4, 3, 4, 5, sometimes 6 or 7 positions open on a pair. You guys know I don't trade with a stop loss. You know, that's the whole point of me showing you this, is that I've been testing this for over a year now, and this is how I trade from now on. I don't use a stop loss. I did withdraw some money from this account. I put it in the Facebook group. I withdrew $850, like a test withdraw. I announced it in the Facebook group when I did it. And yeah, that's basically it, man. I just wanted to show you guys that. Let me show you the profitability. Can I make that bigger? I don't know if you can see this. You can see this shows you every trade I took on each pair. Okay, let me see. See, it says average trade site, number of trades per pair, like AUD CAD. I took 1 trade, I won 1, I lost 0. Okay, so if we go through this, you can see all the trades I took. I'll pick a couple of them here. This one I took 24 trades. Euro JPY, I took 24 trades. I won 23, lost 1. This one's 22. GJ, I took 22 trades. I won 20, lost 2. All right, GU, Let's see. Nas. There's Nas. Look at Nas. My favorite pair. I took 487 trades. I won 474 and lost 13. Crazy, right? US 30. 137 trades, 131 wins, 6 losses. Bro, who else is gonna go on there and show you this? US oil. I used to trade US oil a lot in the beginning of the year. I kind of drifted away from it, but I'm probably gonna get back to it now because I took 73 trades, had 68 wins, 5 losses. And the last one is gold. I took 247 trades on gold. I won 239 and lost 8. Crazy, right? Anyway, guys, just want to show you that, man. I'm going live again on Monday. By the way, man, today's the 3rd. So happy New Year, man, to you guys and your families, man, from me and my family. Okay, have a great weekend. I'll be live on the 6th. This is going to be our year, man. My goals for the year, I said it before, is to help a lot of people and to be the biggest donor in my church. Those are my goals for this year, man. You know, this year we're going to compound. It's going to be our year. It's time to grow now. I've been like kind of practicing, feeling this method out, testing it. It's time to hit the road running now. So I'll see you guys Monday. I'm going to set up something better. Right now I'm only using Facebook. Get in the Facebook group. There's over 100 people in there. And we're going to move to Discord or something. I'm going to see what's the best thing. You know, I have a thing in Telegram. Maybe I use Telegram for a while. I don't know. But I want to make it quicker. I could just jump in there, tell you guys I'm taking a trade, you know, tell you guys I'm closing a trade, whatever. And just, you know, so you guys can get the alerts. So you see what I'm doing, you know. But we'll figure it out. Anyway, thank you guys. Like I said, have a great weekend. Happy New Year to you and your family, man. God bless you guys, man. Have a great weekend on purpose. I'll see you guys Monday. Thanks, guys. Cheers, guys.